To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Namaskar, you are watching Sci-Tech and I am Bhagyashree. Today we bring you the case of a missing gigantic black hole, a mystery that has scientists raking their brain for answers. Like every detective story, the case promises a good dose of mystery, leads, theories and painstaking investigation. Though scientists are yet to solve the mystery, they believe they are closer to tracking down the missing supermassive black hole's whereabouts. We delve into the details of the investigation in this video. Watch this video to know more.
A supermassive black hole, whose mass is 1,000,000 or billion times larger than a typical black hole, sits in the center of nearly every galaxy. For example, the Milky Way's core is home to the Sagittarius A star. But Abell 2261 is different. Located about 2.7 billion light-years away from Earth, the galaxy lacks a supermassive black hole. According to scientists investigating the case, the gigantic black hole in question could be anywhere between 3 billion and 100 billion times the Sun's mass. Given its mass, scientists should be able to detect its presence. But data from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and Hubble Space Telescope showed nothing. Detecting black holes is a tricky business. They don't emit light, but scientists rely on indirect means, spying on materials like gases that orbit the void. As the gas approaches closer to the black hole, they get heated up and emit X-rays, which is then sensed by a telescope. So if there is no gigantic monster at the center, where did it go? Here is where the mystery gets more interesting. Scientists think that something must have driven the supermassive black hole away. The culprit was likely a merger between two galaxies. This union may have also forced their respective supermassive black holes to unite, resulting in an even massive black hole. As this happened, they could have emitted gravitational waves, which are ripples in space-time. If these waves are more powerful in one direction than the other, it could boot out the merged black hole from the galaxy's core. This is called a recoiling black hole, according to NASA. But there's a catch. Recoiling is typically observed between two small black holes. We do not know if giant ones also experience the same. There are other theories too. The investigators think that a supermassive black hole might be absent in the Abell galaxy, making it unique. Alternatively, they believe that a black hole is present but is less active. It might not be consuming enough materials to create detectable X-rays. The study will be published in the Journal of the American Astronomical Society. With these findings, scientists have narrowed down their search. They are placing their bets on the James Webb Space Telescope, which is due to be launched in October 2021, to provide more definitive answers. It is more sensitive and sophisticated than its predecessor, the Hubble telescope.
Moving on. How do you feel about owning a smartphone that possesses a superpower? The ability to heal itself after a dreaded fall. If you are anything like me, you are most likely to jump with excitement. But here's the thing, these self-healing smartphones are nowhere close to entering the market. However, scientists have shown that it is possible to build them. Find out more in the video.
Most of us cannot imagine leading our lives without our smartphones. Damaging it due to an accidental fall can leave us with a heavy heart. Not to mention, it could burn a hole in our pockets. But could smartphones heal themselves by drawing inspiration from nature? Look around you. Lizards can regrow their tails after losing them. Larger alligators are also capable of pulling this off. You may have seen cats munching on houseplants to fall sick to remove poisons from their bodies. Chimpanzees have their own trick too. They consume the pith of a medicinal plant called Vernonia amygdalina to eliminate intestinal worms. Gadgets of the future might also do the same. Researchers from Korea have taken the first step in designing smartphones capable of repairing cracks and other damages. Building such smartphones will need a healing agent. The team found that in linseed oil, which is extracted from the ripened flax seeds. They then combine linseed oil with colorless polyamide or CPI, a polymer used as an alternative to glass in folding smartphones. In their lab, linseed oil was loaded into microcapsules and silicone. This mixture was then coated on the CPI. When the researchers dropped the CPI, the linseed oil microcapsules also broke and leaked into the cracks. Upon interacting with oxygen, the oil hardens, thereby repairing the fractured CPI. This technology could work at room temperature, but it does a better job when exposed to higher temperatures and UV lights. The researchers report that it only needs 20 minutes to mend 91% of the cracks. The findings are published in Composites Part B Engineering. Now the team will have to test their technology at a bigger scale. If they do taste success, we might be able to own self-healing smartphones that most of us dream of.
That's all for this episode of Sci-Tech. You can send us your valuable feedback on the email ID flashing on your screen. Also download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in for more such videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media handles as well. Before signing off, here is fact of the day for you.
Earlier this year, scientists spotted the nearest black hole to Earth known to humankind so far. It is roughly 1,000 light years away and is thought to be about 4 times the mass of the Sun.